ring mapped tiles. In top-level constant macros, we have a ring mapping array. There are 10 ring addresses. Address 0 and 9 are part of the same ring. So you have a 2x2 cluster of 5x5 binary bitmaps. Together that makes a 10x10 graphic, and we want to overlay a set of 5 rings over it. And these are the addresses for those 5 rings. In top-level lookup tables, we have added this section here, the ring of rendering power, and then down here some variable names that should not exist, some explanations that are probably antiquated because it took me a while to think about this, and the ring mapping array. It takes a dense ring address, 0 to 33 inclusive. It takes a bulging mode, 0, 1, or 2, and then it spits out the light ring, the non-dense ring that is going to map onto our 10x10 graphic. So what we're going to do is we're basically going to create this lookup table where we redistribute these ring addresses. So when we filter down from the high density ring to the low density ring, this redistribution is going to create bulging out, no bulging, or bulging in. And this is the left or top half of the ring, and then down here is the right or bottom half of the ring. And then some checksums here. Then in the shader lookup tables, we inject this lookup table. And here we have to make some changes to our preprocessor so that it can recognize that injection site. So here's the actual lookup table in our lookup table array of lookup tables. And then here's the name it's going to have in the shader. And then here's the token we need to look for the injection site. And we increase the max index for this. And then here's the notes from previous. Here's some other stuff. Here's some footnotes. And here's what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation on what I'm talking about, you can go here, but we don't have time here. So you are on this video playlist right here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.